In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometime, we find ourselves in a very good mood. We are excited about something, about someone. We are eager and desperate to take that, to take them. Either because we do have to fight those people and we are in a very empowered state of mind, or because we want to have a kind of agreement, a kind of project going to be launched jointly, or we are ready to offer them something else, and that is why we were excited. This is why we thought, and we were thought like that. We are thinking like this one because we are in a very good state of mind, because we are in a very empowered state of mind, because our morale is quite high, and that is why we are having a kind of tendencies, we are having a kind of inclination like this one. Now we, some of the people, they don't want to waste a minute, and they do want, if at all they do have to fight, they are eager and they are desperate to take somebody, to take someone else on the fight, and to start fighting with those people to teach them a lesson, or otherwise we are in a very high morale and we want to launch a project, we want to initiate, we want to join someone else, either this way or that way, in a personal, in a business agreement. We are excited about a project, we are excited about a person. Now most of the people, overwhelming number of the people, while they are eager and they are desperate to launch it, to start it, whether they do have to fight or they do have to go into the agreement of someone else, I think so that starting it immediately is not a right approach, not a right approach at all. While the right approach is to wait, and to wait for a different mood, because our mood are swinging. Some of the time we are a very good state of mind and we are in a very good mood, while on certain other occasions, in different times, we don't feel excited, we are not in a very good mood, and that is the fluctuation of the moods, and that is the fluctuation of the state of mind we find ourselves in. And with the change of the state of mind, our policy, our mood, our strategy, our decisions are changing as well. If at all we are having one decision in this state of mind, we might have another decision, a very different one. If at all we are in a different state of mind, we are happy, we took one decision, we are not so happy, we took another decision, and vice versa. If at all some of the time we are not in a good mood, and not a good mood at all, we are in a disempowered state of mind, and we are unhappy, we are not excited, rather our spirits are low, and now we have decided not to launch, not to start something else, and not to go into the agreement, not to go into the partnership of someone else, not to develop a kind of cooperation, and not to develop a kind of liaison with anyone else at all. But still, here too, I am of the view, I am going to suggest what I have experienced it, what I am of the view, that we need to wait until we do come out of that state of mind. And once we are excited, once we are happy, now again our decision, our policy toward that particular item will change, and will change automatically. Why? Now we want to have another decision. Now in the same manner, some of the people, they break their relationships, even they do divorce their spouses. Some of the people, they make a very bad decision only because they were depressed, only because they were only because they were in a very bad mood, only because they were very angry. And during the anger, once they are ridden, once they are controlled by by an emotion of one type or an emotion of other type, being controlled by the emotions mean that we are going to make a decision. Excuse me, we do make the decision which is very hard and which is very difficult for us to carry on. So here too, I am of the view that we need to wait, and we need to wait a lot. We should be waiting till our mood changes, because once our mood does change, I believe that our decision will change automatically. We will like to change the decision, or if at all some of the decisions become unchangeable because we said no to someone else, now it is very difficult to motivate them and to say them yes. Or if at all we were excited and we said yes to someone else, now it is not easy to say them no. How can we say them no? Because we are now in a very different state of mind, and that is the reason I am of the view that neither you should make a decision once you are excited, not to make a decision once you are depressed, and not even to make a decision when somebody is angry. We need to wait, and we need to wait till our emotions does evaporate, and we become a normal. We do come into a normal position. We do come into a normal state of mind. I think so. Unless and until we are normal enough, unless and until we are cool minded enough, we should not be making a decision, because most probably we are going to take a decision which will be very hard and which will be very difficult to carry it on, because the decision taken under the control of the emotions of one type or the emotions of other type, I think so it is very difficult to stick to that decision. It is very difficult to carry on that decision. This is why I think so we should not be at all taking the decision once we are excited. We should not be taking the decision once we are depressed. Rather, the normalcy is the very right place to take any sort of decisions, the decisions of one sort or the decisions of the other type. It is important, should not be considered something which is unimportant, should not be considered something which is trivial. I think so it is a very important factor once we are going to make a decision, once we are going to make a kind of policy towards someone else or towards something else. We must judge, we must check whether we are in a normal state of mind or not. While if at all we are excited or unfortunately we are depressed, there is nothing wrong in thinking, but never ever take a decision, never ever take a decision once you are not happy, and once you are either depressed or excited. Never ever take a decision like that one in that state of mind. Thank you. Jazakallah.